Um, um, spare me something of this. Spare me your mercy. I am a child, so young, so thin, and so young. Why are you staring at me? With my eyes, I cannot see. But I know you are always staring at me. Why you are whispering to one another? Why? Do you know my mother? Do you know my father? Do you know me 5 years ago? Yes, 5 years of bitterness have passed. I can still remember the vast happiness mother and I shared with each other. We were very happy. Suddenly, 5 loud knocks heard in the door. Deep silence ensued. Did the cruel newborn discover our peaceful home? Mother ran, father sighed. Please, please, Louis, hide in the cellar. They're in the cellar. They cannot find you. I pulled my father's arm, but he did not move. It seemed though his feet grew in the floor. The door went. Wah! Before us, five ugly things barking. Are you Captain Luis Santos? Roared the ugly beast, them all. Yes, said my father. You were under arrest, said one of the beasts. They pulled father away from us. My father not given a chance to bid us goodbye. We followed them mile after mile. We were hungry and thirsty. We saw a group of Japanese eating. Oh, hard mouth buttered. The delicious fruit they were eating. Then suddenly we heard a voice. Consuelo! Oscar! Consuelo! Oscar! We ran towards the direction of the voice. But it's too late. We saw father hanging on a tree, dead. Oh! It's terrible. Oh, it's terrible. Has been badly beaten before he died. And I cried, vengeance, vengeance, vengeance.
Everything went black. Everything went black.
Everything went black.
The next thing I
knew, I was waiting for invalid body. One day, we heard the church bell ring. Ding, dong, ding, dong. It is a sign for us to find a shelter in our heart.
But I could not live.
But I could not leave my invalid mother. I tried to show the way from the hideout. Suddenly, bombs started falling. Airplanes roared overhead. Cannons were firing everywhere. Boom! Boom! Vengeance. Vengeance.
No, Oscar.
No Oscar.
Vengeance is God.
Vengeance is not ours. It's God.
Said mother. Said mother.
But I tried out vengeance.
I was like Penta volcano.
He was,
I was like
I was like vengeance.
Penta volcano.
Vengeance, vengeance.
Vengeance is mine. Vengeance is mine. Vengeance is mine, not the Lord.
Vengeance is mine,
Not the Lord.
but not the Lord.
No, Oscar. No, Oscar.
No Oscar.
Vengeance
Vengeance
is not ours.
is not ours.
It's God.
It's God. Vengeance is Peter. There was 5 years ago. 5 years. On. Spare me some piece of bread. Spare me your mercy. I am a child, so thin and so rough. Vengeance
It's not ours.
is not ours.